everybody. I'm Victoria Chazin, and this is just an incredible honor to be here today with you all. Not just as your speaker, but someone who once sat right where you guys are, wearing a slightly itchy outfit and pretending not to be nervous in front of my friends and family. And that's a big deal for me, because when I first came to Butler, I was a kid with big feelings, a head full of questions, and a heart that didn't always fit the usual mold. I didn't always know how to fit in, or even if I was supposed to, but Butler was different. When I came here, something shifted for me, and this was the first place where I felt truly seen, not for who others thought I should be or who I was trying to become, but for exactly who I already was, and that changed everything for me. Butler has a way of making space for every kind of person, whether you love getting lost in your imagination, solving problems with your hands, finding peace in nature, or thriving in a good debate. There's room for you here. Real room. Not the kind that asks you to shrink to fit in, but the kind that expands to meet you exactly where you are. One of my most vivid memories from my time here was raising baby chickens from eggs and watching little life literally grow in front of me. Feeling both the responsibility and the wonder of it was unforgettable. And in a way, that's how I think about this school. Butler gives us space to hatch, to grow, to stumble, and to figure things out. And the adults don't treat you like machines to program. They treat you like whole people with your own timing, your own brilliance, and your own challenges and gifts. And that is extremely rare, and it is extremely powerful.